Hello, virtual physics students. Let's see what needs to be accomplished this week. Okay, so we're headed into Canvas. This week we have a lab. So that's something a little bit different. Let's look at that and talk through it. Okay. So we have a lecture day and an assignment. Okay. So it's day 4 and day 5. Okay. So lecture on our last learning target. So there's the videos for that, and there's the link to the slides. Okay. And then you have your concept check. And then the assignment. And this is where the assignment's turned in as well. Okay, so here's the assignment. Either answer the questions on a separate sheet of paper and turn those in, or print it out, fill it in, and then submit it that way. Which reminds me, please take pictures of your submissions, not videos where you're quickly skimming through them. Pictures allow me to grade them more accurately, thoroughly. Okay, and so now the lab. Let's look at that. So on day 5 is the lab. So there's not any slides or videos, but you should read through your Unit 3 Part 1 notes to help prepare you for the lab. Okay, and then there is a short concept check. Okay, and then here's the lab assignment. It's a nice, friendly Google Doc form. They have it set up where it's just really easy to go in and fill in your answers and all of that, okay? And so you're going to be following along with this lab write-up, okay, right here, and where you get to the gizmo, the online part that you're manipulating and changing and finding those answers is right below it, okay? So then there's gizmo. Now this is going to look different for you than it does for me, and what I've noticed when I went through is on the teacher point of view on my Chromebook or my school computer, this pops up no problem, but I have not experienced any issues here, I think, with my students. If yours doesn't open, let me know. Message me. I will send you a link and your username and password to get to it that way. Okay? All right, so that's what needs to be accomplished this week. You have some lecture notes and an assignment, as well as the lab. And then that's the last day of this unit. Okay, that's the last day of this unit. So next week is the review and the exam. Okay? All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. If you're working through stuff, you want to have a study session before you take the test, sign up for a slot on the calendar. All right, talk to you all soon.